We were looking at choice sets and budget constraints, and we looked at how can we mathematically write our choice sets and budget line. Then we looked at the equation of the budget line as well, and now we want to talk about economic interpretation of slope of budget line. Like we talked about, the slope of the budget line is minus p1 by 2, minus p1 by p2, where it's the negative ratio of the price of the good on x-axis, which we're taking as P1, is the price of the good on x-axis, divided by the price of the good on y-axis, which is P2. Now, the economic interpretation of this slope is going to be, this is the opportunity cost of good on x-axis in terms of good on y-axis. I tells you, in order to have one more unit of the good on x-axis, how many units on of the good on y-axis do you have to give up given the prices that you face? So this is the economic interpretation of the slope of the budget line. So the slope is minus P1 by P2, where P1 is price of the good on x-axis, P2 is price of the good on y-axis. What is this? This is the opportunity cost of good on x-axis in terms of good on y-axis. How many units of the good on x-axis do you have to give up to get one more unit of good on y-axis given the prices you face? And if we take the inverse of this slope of budget line, i.e. minus P2 by P1, so the reciprocal of this, that is the opportunity cost of good on y-axis in terms of good on x-axis. So that's how many units of good on x-axis do you have to give up to get one more unit of good on y-axis. But if you're just looking at the slope, just keep in mind the slope is the opportunity cost of good on x-axis in terms of good on y-axis.